List the first four multiples of 7. So I always think multiples and factors, right, m more, so should be 7 or bigger. Very first one then, 7 goes into 7 once, 7 goes into 14 twice, so, or 7 multiplied by 2 is 14, 7 multiplied by 3 is 21, 28. But there's the first four multiples of the number 7. Write down all the factors of 32. So I would normally just go what multiplies together to give me 32. So 1 by 32, 2 by 16, 3 doesn't go in evenly, 4 by 8, 5 doesn't go in evenly, 6 doesn't go in evenly, 7 doesn't, 8. No, so that's it. If you want to make your list. There's all my factors. Find the highest factor that 45 and 18 have in common. Well, what are the factors of 45? 3 by 15, 9 by 5, 1 by 45. Does 2 go in? No. 3, have it already. 4, no. 5, yes, have it already. 6, no. 7, no. 8, no. 9, have it already. Okay, so that looks like that. 18 has 1 by 18, 2 by 9, 3 by 6, 4 doesn't go in, 5 doesn't go in, and we already have 6. So if you wanted to, in a different colour pen, you could look at the ones they have in common. They have the number 1 in common. They have 9 in common. 3 in common. Okay, so it looks like the highest factor that they have in common is 9. Find the lowest common multiple. Well, what are the multiples? So let's do the first few of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. You know, I could keep going there. Let's do the first few multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24. No, I'll have to keep going. 32, 40. There it is. There's the lowest multiple that they have in common, which is 40. Write 56 as the sum of two prime numbers. There might be a couple of answers to this. So prime number, what's the smallest prime number? 2. 2 and 54, well 54 is not a prime. So to sum means to add up. 3 is the next prime number. 3 and 53. That seems good. 4, it's not prime. 5 is a prime. 5 and 51. I might be tempted to do that, but 51 has factors besides itself in 1. It's not primed because 3 definitely goes into 51, and so does 17. 6 isn't a prime. 7. So 49 and 7. Well, no, 49 is not a prime. 8, 9 isn't a prime. 10 isn't a prime. 11 is a prime. So 11 and 45. No, 45 isn't prime. 12, 13. 13 and 43. That might be another option. 13 is prime, and when you add it to 43, when you sum it up, sum those two numbers up, you get 56, and both of those, yeah, that's prime as well, 43 is. So you keep going like that, see if there's any other options, but I only had to have one of those pairs to get answers, or to get my marks there. Write each of these as a product of prime numbers. So product means multiply. What's 6 made up of? 2 by 3. Okay, is 2 a prime? Yes. Is 3 a prime? Yes. Grant, that's the product of two prime numbers. 63. That's 63 divided by 3, 21. So 3 times 21. That's a prime. Well, that's not a prime. What's 21 made up of? 3 times 7. Both of those prime? Yeah. Next we have 24, so we'll go 2 by 12. Are both of those a prime? Well, the 2 is, the 12 is not. What's 12 made up of? 2 by 6. Are both of those a prime? Well, the 2 is, but the 6 isn't. It's made up of 2 by 3. So 24, if you make it up by multiplying out 2 by 2 by 2 by 3, they're all prime numbers and they multiply to give me 24. 36, I'm going to go for 2 into 36. 2 times 18. 2 is prime, 18 is not. So what's 18 made up of? 2 times 9. Okay, 2 is a prime, 9 is not. What's 9 made up of? 3 by 3. And you can just check that out. 2 by 2 by 3 by 3. Yeah, it does give me 36. Orla has 4 pizzas for her party. She decides that a serving will be 3/5 of a pizza. How many servings can she have from the 4 pizzas? So if you have 3/5 of a pizza, and another 3/5. Now there's a faster way to do this, but I'm just showing you that I could do this. And another 3/5, maybe. Let's see what that gives me. Okay, no, I have 4 pizzas. That's 2. So maybe another 3. No, this is the slowest way of doing it. Oops, sorry. Plus 3 over 5. Plus 3 over 5. Let's test that out. Keep doing that. Sorry, so we have 3 over 5 plus 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 3 over 5. Now, that's 3.6, or if you want it as a fraction, 3 3/5. Are we going to get another serving out of it? Well, we can try. If it goes above 4, I'm in trouble. So this is kind of just trialing and guessing and checking. Okay, so no, that's gone above it. So no, that last one, I can't invite that last person because there isn't enough pizza for them. So it looks like 6 is the answer. 6 people, 6 servings I'll get out of it. Now, is there another way to do it? Yeah. How many times does 3/5 go into 6? So, sorry, it goes into 4. So 4 divided by 3/5 would just have been a faster way of doing this. Okay, I'll get 6 and a bit servings out of it. So how many servings will she get from the pizza? 6 servings. John spends 2/5 of his pocket money on phone credit and 1/4 on fizzy drinks. He saves the rest. Well, how much does he save? What fraction does he save? Not how much, sorry. So 2/5 and 1/4. Is 13/20. So he spends 13/20. How much does he save? He saves 7/20, the rest. And if he receives €30 in pocket money, how much does he save? Well, what's 7/20 of €30? So 7/20 of €30. €10.50 is how much he saves. Now you could have gone, oh, what's 1/20? So there's many ways to do this, but this was just the fastest. So you could have gone, right, he's got €30. What's 1/20? Well, what's 7 of those? And I still end up with the same answer. €10.50.